Hi, my name is Carol.
Hi, Carol. My name is Michael.
Where are you from?
I am from York, in England. It's a nice place to live. How about you?
I'm from Dallas, Texas. Everything there is very big. Where do you work?
I work for ABC Limited as a software engineer. It's a good job for me because I like working with computers. How about you?
I'm a journalist. I interview people and write stories for a famous American newspaper. What do you do in your free time?
At the moment, I'm learning Italian. It's fun but difficult. How about you?
I like to go rock climbing. It's good exercise and I can enjoy the fresh air too.